This video is a demonstration of how to use a pierogi maker to make pierogi the fast and easy way. Let me start by telling you a little bit about the form so as you know what you're looking at as we go forward. This form makes 14 pierogi at a time. It is made out of high-impact polystyrene so it won't break. It won't scratch your countertops, and it will not break glass when you store it. Its diameter is about 24 centimeters or 9½ inches. The pierogi are traditionally sized and measure about 8 centimeters or 3½ inches by 4 centimeters or 1½ inches. The pierogi maker is made with bottomless pockets so that when you add filling and cover the filling, the pockets stretch, thereby adjusting to the amount of filling that you have added. That way you do not get filling spilling over into the cutting edges so that you get a perfect seal and your pierogi don't burst when you boil them. This solves a problem experienced by home pierogi makers. We start by adding flour over the top of the form. That's done so that when we add the dough to the form, it doesn't stick to the polystyrene. It causes the pierogi to release quickly and easily. You will see that happening later in this video. Once the form is floured, cover it with a thin layer of pierogi dough. A link to the video showing how to make the dough is below the video. Add your filling. Measure them out with a spoon, use a pastry bag, or use pre-measured amounts like I do here. I am using Russian pierogi filling. The recipe for this and the video on making it are below the video. Cover everything with a second layer of dough. Gently press the surface somewhat level. That stretches the pockets and the filling stays out of the sealing area. Finish the pierogi with a rolling pin. It seals and cuts the edges. Roll until you see that the pierogi have been separated. Remove the excess dough. Put it aside for later use. Turn the form over. The pierogi will start falling out. If you have filled them to the point where they are nice and plump, you may have to help some out a little bit. Just push them out, and all of a sudden on your bench, you have 14 perfectly shaped, perfectly sealed pierogi that are ready to put in the pot to boil. Once boiled, you can serve them boiled, fried, or baked. This is so easy that you can quickly make a lot for the freezer. I hope that this has helped. Some of your friends might be interested in this. Share this video with your friends by sharing it on Facebook. The share link is below the video. Add your comments and ask questions using the comments box. A link to get your own pierogi maker on Amazon, eBay, or in Europe is in the end screen and below. And finally, to get more information about our videos on making all kinds of pierogi, subscribe. And while you're at it, click on the bell so that YouTube notifies you when we post a new video. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in making pierogi.